What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make the featured photos on your Facebook account private. First, it's essential to have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your device. To update the Facebook app, open up your App Store. Tap on the search bar at the lower right corner of your screen and search for Facebook. On the search results, navigate to the Facebook App Store page and proceed to update the app to the latest version if there's one available. Once updated, open the Facebook app and ensure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Now, to manage the privacy of your featured photos, understand that Facebook currently doesn't allow you to directly edit the privacy settings for individual featured photos or videos from your profile. However, there's a workaround to this that lets you control who sees your featured content. This workaround is to update your story settings, as these settings also impact your featured photos collection. To do this, navigate to the menu option in the bottom right corner of your Facebook app. Here, you'll find a variety of options. Scroll down to locate and select Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Privacy Shortcuts. From there, choose See More Privacy Settings. On this page, scroll down until you see the Stories option under the Audience and Visibility section. Next to Who Can See Your Stories, you'll have the option to adjust the visibility of your stories. Tap on it to open a slide-up window. This setting is crucial because adjusting the privacy of your stories will simultaneously alter the visibility of your featured photos and videos. If you desire to restrict the audience of your featured content, you can set this option to Friends, Friends Accept, or Specific Friends. Choosing Specific Friends allows you to select specific people who can or cannot see your featured content. This method is an effective way to ensure that only the people you're comfortable with can view your featured photos and stories on Facebook. If you don't want anyone to see your featured images, you can first create and then select one or two dummy accounts in the Specific Friends section, as it will effectively stop anyone other than your dummy accounts from seeing your featured images on Facebook. Remember, while these settings don't directly change the privacy of individual featured photos, they offer a practical solution for controlling the visibility of your featured section on Facebook. By managing who can see your stories, you indirectly manage the accessibility of your featured photos and videos. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.